Then drop them drawers. I know it's
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another bomb look. You know, get into it. Stop playing. So I did do this custom color. I don't know what I'm gonna call her yet, but you know. So this is gonna be a 2-in-1. She has a super low hairline, and I had a request asking on doing an install on a low hairline, so here you guys go. So we're about to start with the ball cap. Make sure y'all push all the edges back. You want to try to show as much forehead as possible, and let's get into this ball cap.
I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
Now we're sizing up the unit, and then I'm going to cut out the ear tabs to make sure the unit fits properly. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to clean her skin with 91% alcohol, spray a skin protectant, and then I did 4 layers of glue.
But since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder.
And the reason why most people think low hairlines are hard, it's really just all in the plucking and the placement. When you're dealing with a low hairline, you have to really pluck that unit really good. And then you have to know where to place it, make sure they still have forehead, and also baby hairs. That's just the whole thing with the low hairline.
Say you will, come through and chill. Just say you will, come through and chill.
Now we're about to get into styling. As you can tell from the beginning, we did 2 bangs and a ponytail with the rest of our hair curled. If you guys would like a more detailed video on that, on the styling, let me know down in the comments and I can do that for y'all.
I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on that. Take you there.
Now we're about to cut her lace off. Y'all don't be alarmed. You might see the lace right now, but trust me, it is gonna disappear in about 2 minutes. But you want to make sure you're cutting it in a super jagged motion. And then we're gonna pull out the baby hairs, and then we're gonna melt that lace down again.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time, we're making up time. The time you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it back on that. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it back on that. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Trapping like the narco. narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weep an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo.
Y'all see that wide part? No, man, we're not gonna even do that. So just pay attention, and I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. And right now, I'm wrapping the ponytail up because you don't want no black hair tie showing. And then we're gonna finish styling.
With the pack and the cat, jiffy. Blue with the bricks, where they at? Dripping, ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slept. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Here go the start tip. So you're going to take a little spoolie brush and clean that up. Clean that part up. Do not have no wide part, okay? And then we're gonna do our little concealer to define it more. And that is the look, y'all. That's the look. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next week.